Hello home bakers and welcome to Drmummycakes. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create your edible food paint. This is the equipment that I use for my food paint. There are different things that you can use to mix your food paint. You can use alcohol. Some people use lemon juice, but I don't find this works very well. My preferred choice is to use rejuvenator spirit, and this is readily available from any cake making supply shop. The different brands of edible food dust, the type that I like using is called Sweet Sticks AU, and other equipment you will use is a palette for mixing your colors and a selection of paint brushes. Put some of the edible food dust into your palette, and you want to mix with your rejuvenator spirit or lemon juice or alcohol if that's what you're using. Add a few drops and then mix. It's better not to make it too watery. It should look just like paint. If it's too watery, add a little bit of food dust. If it's too thick, add a little bit more of your rejuvenated spirit or alcohol or lemon juice. You want to have a nice consistency, and you can see here I'm painting on fondant and it works really well. So here is my fondant with 3 different colors looking rather splendid. This edible food paint works for fondant, buttercream, royal icing, just about anything that you can use to decorate a cake. So it's a great tip and a great technique to have. And here I'm decorating a buttercream cake. It's been nicely chilled, so the buttercream is firm. And here I'm just literally painting on. So you see it goes on very well. But the key thing with buttercream is make sure that the buttercream is nice and chilled, so you have a firm surface to paint on. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing and click the subscribe button now. And don't forget, check out my other great tutorials. I will show you how to make and decorate amazing cakes.